Okay, this video is going to introduce lesson 1, 2, how business activities change the accounting equation. And this is going to be a part 1. We will get into a part 2, and we'll talk about classifying accounts as assets, liabilities, or owner's equity, and demonstrate the relationship in the accounting equation. We're going to analyze the effects of transactions on the accounting equation and distinguish between cash and on-account transactions. Now, the first thing we need to do here is introduce the business that we're going to use for this unit. It's going to be Delgado Web Services. Like I said, that's going to be the business that we're going to use to illustrate all the activities and all the chapters in part 1. First of all, Delgado Web Services is a service business, and that's a business that performs an activity for a fee. They're going to do something for you, and you're going to pay them. Example would be a mechanic. A mechanic works on your car, you pay them for doing that. Lawn care, you pay somebody to mow your yard. And there's a lot of different service businesses we could use for an example. Delgado Web Services is also a proprietorship, and that's a business owned by one person. Sometimes it's referred to as a sole proprietorship. Now, there's a lot of different reasons why a person would want to organize a business as a proprietorship. One would be it's easy to set up. Usually you just have to file a document called a doing business as with the state, and that's about it. Another reason is proprietorships gives you sole control. You get to make all the decisions. You don't have to check with somebody to be able to do something first. With all businesses, it's a good idea to set up a business plan. A business plan is a formal written document that describes the nature of the business and how it will operate. It's like the blueprints or the game plan. This is how the business is going to work. This is what you're selling. This is who you're selling to. This is what you're going to keep track of. Based off of what you keep track, how do you have to change things? All that's going to be included in the business plan.